What if solving math felt like solving code puzzles in a race against time? This is Code Operation Rush, a puzzle game built around just 4 codes, a target number, and a ticking clock. For each round, you're dealt 4 cards from a full deck, aces through kings. Your goal is to build an equation using all 4 values and simple operations. Add, subtract, multiply, and divide to hit the target number. Use parentheses to group things, backspace to fix mistakes, and submit to check your answer. This challenge is built on a classical math puzzle. Can you make 24 using 4 numbers and basic operations? It's a classic game that trains both logic and creativity. Some numbers are easier because they have more factors. The game weights targets like 24, 36, and 30 to appear more often than primes like 17. It's not just about speed, it's about learning the structure and composition of numbers. You can choose your time limit, 60, 180, or 480 seconds. Flip animations give each card a dramatic reveal. You can type as an alternative to clicking the buttons. Visual and sound alerts warn you when the time is about to go up. And if you like the classic look, you can toggle card faces between 1 to 13 or HAQK. I built this game in Unity with a focus on feel, snappy input, clean UI, and a math-based gameplay. The code values had to be readable and calculable. The keyboard typing system went through several iterations, especially for handling 10, 11, 12, and 13 cleanly. And I wanted the game to teach math by playing, not quizzing. So this is Code Operation Rush, a game about thinking fast, calculating smart, and chasing the target. It's live on itch.io and totally free to play in your browser. Try it, beat the clock, and beat as many puzzles as possible. Thanks for watching. See you at my next math game video.